super excited to share with you about a brand new capability that we have added to Astra DB Vector. Let's get started. We are announcing multi-region vector capability. And what does it do really? It's data replication to more than one region for Astra DB Vector. And this is for production generative AI applications. So let's quickly jump into a demo. So this is my Astra DB Vector database, which I've created, and it's pretty easy to add region to it. All you have to do is go to the overview and click on Add Region. So my initial region has been created with AWS, and I've also added another region. So you can add more regions here by choosing region of your choice, and it provides the metering units for these here. You can see metrics per region, and also the endpoints, the API endpoints to which you can connect the region. You can delete the regions that you have added here using the delete option, and you will not be able to delete the original region with which the database was created. So now I'll show an example with code. I am using a movie data set, and then I created a new collection. Do remember that I have connected here with the US East region, and I've added these two documents to the new collection which I have created. These two documents are listed. Now I'm connecting to a new region which I have created, which is the AB South one. And now you can see that I have the three collections. Now I'm adding an entry, a document, to the existing collection. And now you can see all three of them. To verify here, you can go to the Data Explorer. Review 2 was what I was created, and data was created in different regions, but they've all synced together, and you see all the three of the documents that I've entered here. So it's pretty easy to use multi-region with Astra DB Vector. You can find more details in the documentation right here.